When we look at ourselves in the mirror, we all know that there's something missing from our closet. These shoes will be the best option for a 2025 fix. Sneakers in 2025 define style. Which trends will rule collections worldwide? How do you choose modern, easy-to-wear styles? Which bold and flexible designs will surprise us? Vogue, Glamour, and Who What Wear are all talking about these trends, not just me. These 8 sneaker styles are influencing footwear, from runways to celebrities. Stay tuned till the end. Trend 8 is so revolutionary, it's changing how we think about trainers. Keeping up with sneaker trends might be intimidating. How do you pick a stylish, versatile, and worth it pair with so many styles? We did the research for you. Join us in discovering the top 8 trainer trends of 2025, which will enhance your wardrobe and keep you at the forefront of fashion. Trend 1, Suede Sneakers, the ultimate blend of luxury and comfort. Search for sneakers that exude understated luxury. Dominating 2025, and with good reason, are Suede sneakers. See yourself strolling out on a laid-back brunch or coffee run with buddies. You slide on some elegant suede trainers in neutral colors like olive or camel. Your wardrobe moves from basic to trendy right away without much effort. That's the power of suede, a texture that accentuates even the most laid-back appearances. Suede sneakers accentuate your attire with a rich vibe. Leading this trend with designs that mix nostalgic appeal with current flair are brands like New Balance 327 Suede Sneakers, $100, and Puma Speed Cat OG Sneakers, $117. Since sustainable suede variants are also popular, this is a classic and ethical choice. For a refined but relaxed look, team them with wide leg pants or a flowing midi dress. Trend 2, metallic sneakers shine bright with futuristic flair. Want a dress with a strong statement? Your 2025 trend is metallic footwear. Imagine walking into a room sporting a cropped jacket and fitted joggers together with slick silver sneakers. Heads turn and you feel right away like the show's star. Any garment gains a futuristic edge from metallic finishes, which also make them a flexible choice for semi-formal and casual events. Boldness and adaptability are combined in metallic sneakers from companies like Steve Madden Mirage Sneakers and Dries Van Noten leather sneakers, $475. Perfect for giving monochromatic clothing or vivid designs a competitive spin, these trainers are a must-have for anyone hoping to shine in 2025. Trend 3, Leopard Prints sneakers, bold patterns with everyday practicality. Animal prints will rule 2025. Leopard print sneakers are leading the way. These consider those days when your clothes seems a bit too simple. You start to have edge and personality in your appearance when you slip on leopard print trainers. These trainers are great with a sleek blazer for laid-back errands or even dressed-up events. Leopard print sneakers like Steve Madden Hudson sneakers, $60. And Aloha T-Buns 490 sneakers, $120. Bring some confidence and uniqueness to your attire. For a laid-back style, pair them with black leggings. Alternatively, mix them with stripes for a strong pattern clash. These shoes show that practical doesn't have to equal dull. Trend 4, Slim Sole sneakers, sleek and minimalist vibes. Bored of clunky soles? Here in 2025, slim sole sneakers are redefining simplicity and elegance. A pair of high-waisted trousers and a neat white shirt match with thin, retro-inspired shoes. Whether you're going to a conference or a weekend trip, their simple addition to any outfit thanks to their elegant lines and lightweight construction makes all the difference. From Adidas Taekwondo sneakers to Zara athletic suede sneakers, $70. Narrow soles are the best tribute to throwback flair. Their understated look allows flexibility without compromising integrity. Add them to your wardrobe for a classic but modern update to your casual shoe range. Trend 5, retro sneakers, nostalgia meets modern comfort. Retro trainers are showing that classic designs never go out of fashion. Imagine finding yourself drawn to high-top trainers reminiscent of the early 2000s. When worn with denim skirts or joggers, they provide a retro feeling that is new and enjoyable for 2025. Brands such Converse, Chuck 70 high tops, and New Balance 9060 sneakers, $150, are reviving classic designs with contemporary updates. These trainers are ideal for producing laid-back, casually stylish ensembles that draw attention in a crowd. Trend 6, court sneakers, timeless elegance for everyday wear. Love footwear that combine elegance and sportiness? A 2025 must are court trainers. For a smart workplace look, picture styling a pair of white court trainers with tailored pants and a tucked-in blouse. Alternatively, matching them with a midi dress can help to create a refined weekend look. From Adidas Samba LT sneakers to Nike Killshot 2 sneakers, $90, court sneakers mix new improvements with legacy style. Their adaptability makes them a wardrobe must-have as they so easily mix comfort and elegance. 7. Cushy Runners, style meets performance. Look for sneakers that put comfort first without sacrificing flair. For 2025, Cushy Runners will be revolutionary. Imagine a hectic day while you're running errands or seeing the city. With their sophisticated technology and supportive soles, Cushy Runners keep you comfy all day long and easily look great. Cushy Runners deliver on both flair and use, from Hoka Clifton 9 sneakers, $145, to On Cloud Monster sneakers, $170. For a Scandi-inspired street-style outfit, team them with wide-leg jeans or a lovely dress. 8. Velcro Sneakers, nostalgia with a modern twist. Who says Velcro's just for kids? Velcro sneakers are making a major comeback in 2025. Imagine grabbing Velcro sneakers on a hectic morning to save time without compromising flair. Go sporty with athleisure ensembles or pair them with cuffed jeans and an oversized knit jumper for a laid-back vibe. Velcro footwear like Veja Volley shoes, $135, and Zara casual style sneakers, $50, mix modern shapes and superior materials with nostalgic appeal, ideal for women who appreciate modern design as well as utility. 2025 is a revolution, not merely another year for shoe trends. From opulent suede finishes to strong metallics and nostalgic throwback designs, these looks are redefining what it means to mix comfort and elegance. Every style we looked at offers a chance to express oneself, boost confidence, and appreciate what's especially you rather than only a fashion statement. To sum up, suede sneakers add refinement and metallics shimmer everywhere. Leopard prints emphasize uniqueness, and narrow soles redefine minimalist chic. Retro styles bring freshness, court sneakers combine sport and elegance, plush runners provide unmatched comfort, and Velcro designs make utility cool again. 2025 is about choosing sneakers that match your style and keep you ahead of the curve regardless of the trend. Fashion is about feeling nice as well as looking beautiful. Which sneaker trend are you eager to try? Share in the comments. For more style guides, ideas, and trends, like this video and subscribe to Elegant Legacy. Looking at fashion trends for 2025. See you in the next video.